Hello everybody. What I am planning to do today is to install oil pressure sensor. Now, okay, let me first tell you a little bit, give you a little bit background on this. You get two types. You get one that works with the oil pressure. Well, both of them work with oil pressure, but one is electronic. This one has got the pipe leading from the engine to the meter. So the thing is, and the other one has got electrical wires going from this to the meter. Now, there are advantages and disadvantages to both. Okay, so advantages to the electronic one. Yeah, well, let's say the disadvantage to this is that if you get a leak or a little hole in this pipe, you've got oil everywhere. That is the disadvantage. The advantage of this is it works without electricity. So this one has got an advantage and a disadvantage when you compare it to the other one. I'll tell you the big secret why I've decided, or why did I buy this one. Well, it's because it was available. So we will see how it works. Okay, so yeah. So to the engine. Volvo Penta 2003 with the 3 pistons. And over here we've got our oil filter, and at the back of the oil filter we've got now this sensor. Okay, also we've got the wires. I just recommend that we take this wires out of the way as quickly as possible so that it doesn't go into anything that we don't want it to go into. This I've loosened before. It was quite easy to loosen it because you will see the thread on it is actually very small. There we go. Very small. So although I didn't have a spanner for this, I was not planning on using it again, so came out fairly quickly with, yeah, I won't say a shifting spanner, yeah, something like that I've used. Okay, so this is now the first little part in this whole process. Okay, so let's see. Also, what you are going to need is, you will see this spanner was on the boat before. It's a little bit rusted. Number 10 and number, what is this? Number 11. It's so close to each other. Huh? Yeah. Actually, I don't know if this is maybe too big. Okay. This one fits nicely. I saw that it fits nicely, but that might be, you might check for a 9, but I don't have a 9 on board, so yeah, it's close enough. Okay, so when you open up this thing, let's just see, remove that. Yeah, please pardon my dirty hands. Okay, the pipe, and then also this little thing. Okay, and you will actually see the thread on it is similar to the, or identical to the thread that we have. Let me show you quickly. Okay, so let me show you quickly. This goes. Oh, why do I struggle now? There we go. Okay, nice and snug. Okay, so there we go. It's inserted into that little hole of ours. Also, just want to loosen that. You've got the top part and the bottom part, and you can tighten the bottom part, but the top part, actually, let me show you. There's a a little thing that you have to insert over there. Maybe you can see it better on this. Let me show you over here. There's this little thingy. And what happens is, as it's forced down into this tapered hole, the radius of this will decrease, and it will start to become smaller, and then, yeah, in this way it will have no leaks, or that's what we hope, and that's how it works. It's supposed to work. Okay, so it works on this side. It works like this. Okay, let's insert that quickly over there, and then this goes over there. Okay, and then the pipe goes into that hole. Ooh, I have to make sure it goes through everything. Twice. Let's say if I look at this, you can see that it went in quite, let's say, for about a centimeter, half an inch, something like that. Okay, so that has to happen on both sides, but yeah, so it also has to happen on this side. Go into that, and by, let's say, yeah, about half an inch. Okay, 12 millimeters, something like that. Okay, so the top part we will fasten lastly, okay, when we have inserted the pipe. Okay, and the same thing happens for this meter of ours. Okay, so let's do this quickly. Let's fasten all these things and see if everything works. Okay, so I've got my 12 millimeter spanner over there. Sorry, I mean 11, not 12. Number 11 spanner. Let's see. We'll see. Oof, now you can see it, but it's 11 in any case. Okay. I don't want to force it too much. So okay. I think I'm going to keep it like that. Hopefully we will not have leaks. Now to insert the pipe over there. Okay. Went in all the way. There we go. And now I can fasten that as well. Maybe I should first do it with my hands. There we go. And then the number 10 spanner, which is good enough. Okay. I think that will do the job. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't want to come out. So yeah, it looks like it's good like that. Okay. So now I have to thread it through over here. What is important is that it should not touch the fan belt over there or any moving parts, obviously. So that we have to watch out for. Okay. I'm just fastening it over here to the white water pipe. I don't want to get this thing close to the fan belt, so that was a concern for me. So I think this will work. So yeah, and I might have to fasten it to a few other places as well as I go along. So I discovered the reason why not to buy the hydraulic one, the pipe. The length of this pipe is maybe good for a car, not that good for a engine like this. Doesn't want to go into that position over there. Ironically, those meters are the same brand. It seems it would fit nicely, but it's too short to accommodate this pipe. Also to the back, to there, over there, where the controller is and everything. Also too short to do that. At the stage, I will have to find a longer pipe or something. I don't know yet. So, but that is what we are now stuck with.